So we are back. This is the
European art.
This right here remind me where How the Mona Lisa was. It was like a small picture we stood in line for.
This was from the dining room of a palace, I think. Look at this woodwork.
It's, oh, did you see on top? How do you see this? You saw the one on top? Wow. You guys, how are we doing on the vlog? Because it's a long vlog. Yeah, it is breathtaking. I didn't even show you guys this part because I just been going through. But this time we're actually like, wow, this reminds me of my mom's house for real. If you and
I don't think your mom had real silver, but yeah.
I know, but like you know what I'm saying? Like,
She did.
it's not real silver, but like how it's kept in and everything. Yeah. Comment down below if you guys know what I'm talking about. Like in a Haitian household, you guys will see all these, you know, stuff that they keep in their, you know, cabinet and stuff. All right, what do you think about like this whole experience?
Me?
Yeah.
No, this is cool.
I
I
think
haven't been to this museum since I was a kid. We only saw like a little bit of it.
this is like breathtaking for me. But then you have a lot on the African part. And then I like the part that I seen about the Haitian artists. All right, we'll be back now. What did you say?
Like they do a good job capturing like the facial expressions on some of these.
Yeah, but is the person literally standing there the whole time though, and actually?
I think so.
Like this guy, is there actually like he stood there for that long to get that painting? And I've been seeing a lot of Virgin Mary and the baby. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Which one?
This one right here.
This one's pretty cool. This one's pretty cool too. Yeah, they have it like that. You see how that one has on its wall by itself? That's how the Mona Lisa is in Paris. I'm telling you guys. Because y'all know I've been to Paris before, child. I'm telling Alex, they have it on a wall. It's like that size on a wall by itself. After we go back, we're gonna go to the Roman one.
Roman, Byzantine.
Yeah.
That last one correct.
If we did it, we're gonna put it down in the description
Don't come
box.
for me.
Yeah, if I didn't send for you. All right, we'll be back, y'all. So, all right, we are back.
Roman exhibit.
Living with the gods. How about this one? What's this one? Oh, here it is, right here. Okay, okay. You wanna go see it? Okay.
So
Is it that small? Comment down below. Look at this one, Alex.
oh, this is missing.
Oh, why is it missing? This is the hand. It doesn't say.
Might probably drop.
Is that one missing too?
I thought that movie had a small one.
Oh, Alex, oh my God. That's humongous. That one, yeah. Look at that one. Giving very much. I'm missing an arm. I see some of them are missing arms, Alex. I think it's part of the painting. Remember you talked about that? Oh, you think it just dropped? Because this one has both of them. Both. Do not touch, of course. You gotta put that sign. this one over here. Oh wow. This is breathtaking, Alex. Thank you for taking us here. A&W fam, you guys better comment down below. Thank you, Alex. But you came here with, but it was, yeah, not now. Yeah. Yeah. All right, we'll be back, you guys.
All right.
You guys, we're like standing in one of the rooms, the American. Show like a small view if you can kind of go with. You see it? This is the American
Exhibit, yeah.
All right. You guys, it's gonna take like, it could take 2 days for us
Oh
to
yeah, we
actually,
just spent a lot of time here.
yeah, get arrived in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. We hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to
subscribe to our channel and ring that notification bell so every time we drop a new video. See you soon.
you guys comment down below what's your favorite part. Is it like we have like a whole bunch of rooms. Like comment down below what's your favorite part of the whole museum. And we'll see you guys in a new one. Bye.